So, you're trying to decide where to put your money, Chase or TD Bank. Two massive financial institutions, and on the surface, they seem pretty similar. But once you start looking closer, their strengths and weaknesses really stand out. Let's break down the key differences to help you decide which one is better for you. First, let's talk about physical presence. If you're someone who needs to visit a branch or ATM often, Chase is a strong contender. They have over 4,700 branches and 15,000 ATMs across 48 states. That's a huge network. TD Bank, on the other hand, is a bit more limited. They're heavily concentrated on the East Coast with a little over 1,000 branches. However, TD Bank's big selling point for in-person banking is their America's most convenient bank reputation. Many of their branches have extended hours, staying open later and even on weekends, which is something you won't find at most other major banks. Now, let's look at the numbers, specifically, savings rates and fees. This is where TD Bank really shines. While neither bank is known for high-yield accounts compared to online-only banks, TD generally offers higher interest rates on its savings accounts than Chase. For example, TD's signature savings account can offer a significantly higher APY than Chase's standard savings, especially if you maintain a high balance. When it comes to fees, TD Bank often has lower monthly maintenance fees, and they can be easier to waive. Chase, by comparison, tends to have more fees and stricter requirements to avoid them. So, who wins on the digital side? Both banks have robust mobile apps and online platforms. You can do just about anything you need to on either app: mobile check deposits, Zelle, bill pay, and transfers. However, Chase often gets a lot of praise for its slick user interface and innovative features. They also offer a wider range of products, including an impressive suite of credit cards with great rewards programs and a more comprehensive investment platform through JP Morgan. To sum it up, the better bank depends on what you value most. Choose Chase if you want widespread access to branches and ATMs, a huge variety of financial products including credit cards and investment options, and a modern, feature-rich app. Go with TD Bank if you prioritize earning more interest on your savings, want to avoid fees, and value the convenience of extended branch hours and weekend banking. It's a classic case of convenience versus benefits.